Welcome viewers to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I request you to please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all our new videos. Thank you so much. Let's begin to this video. In today's video, I will give you the 3 tips which will help you to enhance your presentation skill and PowerPoint as well. So the first tip is use the morph transition. How to use that I will show you in this video. So I'm going to apply morph transition on these 2 images and the title. To do that, I'm going to create a duplicate slide of this slide. On the next slide, I'm going to change the placement of this title. I'm going to change the shape fill, text color, bold, and the position of this image and placement of this image. Now I just need to apply the transition. So I'm going to transition menu and I'm going to apply the morph. Look at the animation. This is a very attractive animation available in the PowerPoint. You must use to enhance your animation. The next tip is use the SmartArt or convert your traditional bullet points to SmartArt. How to do that? Just select your text in which you have the agenda item or other item and go to the home menu and click on this convert to SmartArt. Then choose the design which you want and select. I'm going to select this and I'm going to change it to multicolor. I like this one, so I'm going to select that. See this is a way better than the traditional bullet items you must use in your PowerPoint. The last tip is use a shortcut key to create a duplicate object. So in this slide we have a rectangular shape, and suppose I have to create a duplicate object. I just need to press Ctrl D button. Ctrl D will create a duplicate object. You can use Ctrl and the mouse and drag it to place where you want to place it. Let me show you. Just press the Ctrl and drag and drop where you want to copy. See, by this way you can increase your PowerPoint productivity. Hope these three tips are very useful for you. Please let us know your feedback in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so you will get the notification of all our new videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.